Hello everyone, I am Adorsho Haldar. I am from class 2. My roll number is 1. Today I am going to talk about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born at Simla in Kolkata on January 12, 1863. His childhood tales describe the life of a monk who would conquer the world by his intellect and humbleness. The childhood Narendra was very naughty and it was very difficult to calm him down. The other method his mother was failed him. Then the Bhuvaneshwari Devi would pour cold water over his head. Chanting the name of the Lord Shiva would calm him down, and or if anyone said that if you do not calm down, Lord Shiva will not let you enter Kailasha. Narendra will be pacified, and his mother used to tell him the method to calm him down by saying, I asked the Lord Shiva for a child and he sent me a demon. Thank you.